I'm going to be making egg rolls. We're finally making these egg rolls, guys. It's a long story behind the egg rolls. I did attempt to make them before, and it didn't turn out so good. As far as the coleslaw that I had gotten, I had it in the refrigerator for way too long, and it didn't just look crispy and fresh like I wanted it to. And then the shrimp, I had previously, you know, thawed them out and had them in the refrigerator for maybe 2 or 3 days. So I just didn't feel good about it. Sorry about the nails, guys. Don't worry about it. But anyway, we're following Kendall. I love this recipe. And he's just doing, I think he's doing chicken tacos. But we're not going to do chicken tacos. I'm going to do shrimp tacos. I've already peeled them. Just a few in there. And you may see some other stuff out here on the counter. That's because I'm going to be making Love's famous Smackalicious sauce also. So I'm just prepping.
egg rolls. I'm stuffing them. I do about 2 spoonfuls. Heaping. Let's put it that way.
that it sticks off the end of my flatbed. I need to put
So
something
you take it,
so others can see and no one gets hurt.
We can help.
corner, and you roll it.
Got some use today. Braggy red rags. Cauldron planks of plywood.
Ooh, I was nervous. I'm like, they gonna talk about me because I don't know what I'm doing. I ain't did this in so long. Get you a little water, make a little paste, roll it up. Chocolate ain't that good. Let's see if I can do it.
Back it up. Beat. Okay, let's try this again. Another big problem. I can't turn one of the spiral around this lamppost.
There's gotta be a garbage thing get through. Dummy! What if we made the fire slippery?
Guys, it's so good. It's different. I love it because it's very quick meal. And guys, these don't take long at all. So make sure your grease is on medium and not high. And I tell you, not even 2 minutes maybe, if that. 2 to 3 minutes. And you need to be pulling them out. They brown really fast, guys. But these are very, very delicious. It was definitely worth it. Thank you, best friend. It was definitely worth it. Guys, I'm so sorry, but I'm looking so crusty. I've had a long day. I'm so tired. So, I think it's better for you guys to see the food than to see me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit the like button. The likes are important as well, guys. Let's go ahead and hit the bell icon as well, so you'll be notified every time I get a video or upload a video. And thank you guys so much for watching.